This is the hair, curly ends, look at it. I feel like Rapunzel. Oh, so I actually do want long hair. This is so awkward. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Of course, I'm back again with another lock style, and this time it's lock extensions. This time it's me seeing what I'm gonna look like as Rapunzel. Okay, so if you want to know how I put these lock extensions in my hair, you're gonna have to stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, let's begin. In today's video, I am going to show you step by step how to attach lock extensions to your locks without having to use a crochet needle that's going to take 500 billion years. Today's video is sponsored by HOTBRAIDS. Got sent some combs and like a crochet needle, a spray bottle, some kinky bulk hair to help with attaching the locks to my locks, and a nice bag that you can put the locks in when you're done using them. Last but not least, the actual lock extensions. I got sent 150 lock extensions. So the first thing you're going to do is to take the lock. Do you see this? Yes, take it. Don't put the lock right at the end of your locks, because if you do that, it's just gonna come apart. You're gonna place it just a little bit above where your locks end. So not right here, but like right here. So once you get it to where you want it to be, and then you're just gonna take the tip of the lock extension and then just wrap it around your lock like this, going down. Once the lock extension is attached to your lock, this is what it's gonna look like, but then you can still see my lock right here. So you're gonna take some of the bulk hair, and then you're gonna use the bulk hair to wrap around both your lock and the lock extension. So basically you wrap to the end of your lock, then you start wrapping back up your lock. So go downwards and then go back upwards. Once you're done with that, just do this rubbing motion and it's gonna set the lock and the lock extension in place. So once the bulk hair is wrapped around, this is what it should look like. As you can see, it looks really seamless. You can't see where exactly my lock starts and where the lock extensions start. That's what we're going for. Let me show you again. Take a lock extension, add it to your lock, wrap this around just like this to get you a nice base. Take some bulk hair, start wrapping around the locks. Once you reach the end of your lock, start wrapping back up. And it really is that easy. And just like that, you're done. So I'm gonna start doing my entire head and you're gonna see the process, okay? Okay. Half of my head, and this is what it's looking like. It looks pretty good if you ask me. The hair doesn't feel heavy at all, even though it's pretty long. So I'm just gonna finish this side and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a little bit more talking. Okay, so if you hadn't noticed, my edges disappeared. That's because I cleaned them off and I washed it. I am quite literally done with the hair. I see my future, okay? I see my future and it's bright. So this is what my locks are gonna look like once it gets to this level. I don't really know if I'm gonna let my locks get this long, but this is cute. You can't tell me this is cute. Obviously my roots are overgrown. I need to wash my hair in like the next week, so I am gonna wait till I wash my hair before I do my roots, like do a little soft retwist. So you're gonna see clips of me washing my hair with this in, and then we're gonna come back and finish the video, okay? Okay, so I will see you in the next segment.
Okay, so it's wash day and I'm about to wash my locks with the extensions in for the first time. Before I actually started washing my locks, I decided to braid the ends of the locks up just so that I wouldn't aggressively scrub the ends of the locks. I'm pretty much talking about the lock extensions. Since I didn't use the crochet method to actually attach it to my lock, I didn't want to cause any excessive damage or any excessive pulling at the ends of my locks. So I just did my regular wash routine, and after the initial wetting of my hair, the lock extensions didn't feel like crazy heavy. And that's a good thing because adding the lock extensions to my locks made everything really long. And you know how heavy longer locks can get, okay? Another thing that was really surprising to me was that it didn't take forever for the locks to dry. Even the lock extensions didn't take way too long to get dry. So once my locks were half dry, I just did a little soft retwist for the front, and I didn't really bother about the back because literally no one cares. And aside that, I did a retwist like almost a month ago, so I wasn't trying to do any over manipulation. So once I was done with that, I just used my blow dryer to make sure that everything was dry, and then that was quite literally it. As you can see, everything was holding up nicely. The best part about about these extensions is how natural they look and how easily it blends in with my hair. If you want more information on the hair I use, everything is going to be linked in the description of this video. Okay, that's it. See you later. Bye.